Okay, so I'm gonna do one now.
Yes, please.
Okay, whatever mom is, I'm not curious as to that. Yeah. Well, if you're gonna come to me, I'm gonna use that. Yeah.
Oh, you got the X already. Extra is,
Yeah.
yes.
It's extra, yes, sir.
Yes, of course.
Yes, madam.
Damn. Oh.
That's all good. Because we can use the pin. Oh. Oh, and they rotate through. Maybe we can get the A off of him. R. Oh no.
Oh.
Oh, we know.
Oh, I didn't get that.
That's okay. What are your goals? Oh, well, 15 goals they are. You know what? We're gonna take care of you first, sir. High enough? E R
Damn.
extra.
You got it.
But what's gonna happen now?
Extra life.
Oh, look at behind. Oh, look behind. Oh. Here, take this life energy and good luck. 1 up. Bonus 10k points.
What?
We can not do that, but we can do that. Good enough. Going for another extra is going to be the goal, I guess. We're going to take whatever we can get. So we need the ERA. ERA. ERA.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh! That was... I tried to come in clutch, but that wasn't working.
No.
But I guess getting extra is the way the game thinks is gonna be best for you, so I'm gonna go with that strat. Look at the shark, is like, oh, that was a good idea. Oh, it wasn't. E. Now we need an R and an A. Good. That's that. And yeah, you know what? I'd rather go for him. E R. Oh yeah, you cannot get that. You know what? No. What are you thinking? Okay, we're just gonna do the fast route.
Yeah, same.
There we go. What are you corning up for?
It's becoming popcorn.
It is.
life.
Oh,
There's no way.
you just do it like that. Come down, bud. Go.
Point.
Oh no, that was unfortunate. I didn't want him to die like that because I wanted to make the A out of him. But guess not then.
And you're like, just stay it down there until I got all my flowers.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna do the extra life with all you horns.
Yeah. I mean, there are a bit too many. So what I gotta do here is the following. Just see if I can... Maybe, you know what?
No, no.
Oh, no, didn't work. Ah, I thought I could squeeze him in.
That was not a good idea. Oh, they become human again.
At least that.
But didn't you get an A?
I thought so too, yeah. But maybe it was already going back to me.
Oh man.
One of you is stupid enough to do that. I knew that.
Yeah, but... Kaboom. Oh, they duplicate. Did you see?
Hmm.
I didn't notice before.
We're just firing points if we do it like that. That's also cool.
Right. Damn. This level is...
Full surprises in it.
Yeah, you
Now
can...
we can make him a turnip and maybe we can force an A out of him. Okay, no, we don't get it if we're overtime.
How do you know that you're overtime?
Because I just collected everything in the level, but they transformed into other enemies and we didn't get anything. That's the conclusion I'm making here.
Oh! Oh! Cool. Maybe you need to... Oh! Maybe you want to start from the top, or?
Okay, move down, it's okay, so I can stay here. Otherwise I need to climb around.
That's right. So cute.
Okay?
Yeah, sprites.
Oh!
You can always make a ladder.
Yeah, it was... Look at the flood of mini crocs. That was the big issue here. Now we got it in spawn box and all. Okay, we got boss clear, so first world done. And no life left. But if we
Done.
get an A...
Get an extra life.
That's...
A new music, a new enemy.
Yeah, I've seen cuter stuff with me.
Oh.
I'm just gonna do it like that. Because if he's gonna come up here,
A. Yeah.
and it will be the A as well. Yo, what up here? Yo, Steve! What's good? We're playing Amiga right now. I'm introducing Cake a bit to the Amiga and we're just checking some stuff out. And right now we're playing Rodland, just for fun. Better port than the arcade one itself. It's a fun game.
It's a fun game.
And we got one life back, so that's actually good for our runs. How have your runs been going so far, Steve? I know you've been going hard, so...
Oh. Take it.
You see that? He was slurping it all up.
Man, so fast.
You're lucky. We didn't know that the ice thing was going to be that good.
That's better than nothing, I guess. Wow. Bonk. Bonk. Nice.
Look at them trying to make an impression on me. Aw, too bad, but that's not a big deal. You just leave it here and don't collect the thing.
What is this?
I think these are like the balls who like fly around the stage. Bruh.
Bruh.
Does it go down now? Yeah, it does. Of course it will. That's okay. That's okay. You can look a ladder out there. Okay, we start off with VX. That's okay. Oh,
Bless you.
thank you so much. Let's collect these first before these slimy things take over.
Look.
Not really.
Oh.
Voila! Totally not on purpose, what?
Get that extra life of life on them.
Good.
Come here, turn it. Oh! Stupid. Oh!
Oh, good? Because, oh, come on.
Man.
I expect to being a stupid rabbit.
Oh, no.
What's good? We did. Oh, right. Now there we go.
Man, rabbit.
Rabbit it up. Mom, we will rescue. No. Mom! I like the story. Mom, we will rescue. No. Mom had her stance and she defended that. Come on. Hey, only Densetsu coming through. Welcome to the stream and thank you so much for coming through. How we doing? Oh, there we go. We got the beads of love. They give us the grapes we needed. But an E, a T, and an R. That would be much appreciated.
Look at them, they're so cute.
You know what? Let's check if I can maybe collect it. Hey, Oni, what's good? You've been on Steve's stream? Because Steve didn't answer us how his runs were going, so I'm genuinely interested on how he did. Will it come down? Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3, give us an R.
Wait for it. Wait for the R.
P, R. Ah! Okay, now we know.
Are these? They look so angry.
P, anemonas. Oh, okay.
Oh. Burn it up.
Burn it up.
Wow, how long does this last?
Way too long.
Oh.
I don't think that's that too much.
Oh.
Here you go.
Oh.
Wow, that was
my
speedy.
God, he was so clever.
Yeah, but it was
chased you down.
It was a good first run.
Yeah,
I think it was a good first run.
Damn.
So E F G H I K, and we're gonna do my initials. So maybe if it's a good score, we can submit it. Although I think this was not enough. So 207K, 450